I often hear about design patterns, but they seem difficult.
This video is especially for people like you.
I want to improve my design skills, but where should I start?
In this video, we'll explain design fundamentals from the basics,
So I can leverage the wisdom of experienced developers.
Design Patterns course. Episode Num 0, Introduction, Learning Design Fundamentals. Design patterns are standard solutions in software design.
Standard solutions, like in chess or Go?
Exactly. They are solutions to common problems discovered by predecessors. If you encounter the same problem repeatedly, why not pattern the solution?
I see! So we don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Exactly. There are 3 benefits to learning design patterns. First, it becomes a common language.
Common language?
When you say, "Let's use factory pattern here," the whole team understand.
That makes communication so much easier.
Second, your design toolkit expands. When facing a problem, you can identify this pattern applies here.
So we can gain experience in advance.
Third, code quality improves. Since these solutions are verified by many developers, they're highly reliable.
So it's like quality guaranteed design?
Let me briefly introduce the history of design patterns. In 1994, 4 authors published a book.
4 people? Who are they?
These 4 are called Gang of 4, or GOUF for short.
Gang. That sounds dangerous.
The book where they compiled 23 patterns is still considered the Bible today.
A book from over 30 years ago is still being used.
That's how universal this wisdom is. The 23 GOUF patterns are classified into 3 categories. The first is creational patterns. These are patterns about how to create objects. Examples include singleton, factory, and builder.
So it's about improving how we create instances with new.
The second is structural patterns. These are patterns about how to combine classes and objects. Examples include adapter, decorator, and facade.
Like building with Lego blocks.
The third is behavioral patterns. These are patterns about how objects interact with each other. Examples include observer, strategy, and command.
So it's like rules for how objects communicate.
Great understanding.
So there are 3 types: creation, composition, and interaction.
That understanding is perfect. In this series, we'll cover carefully selected practical patterns.
What patterns will we cover?
From creational patterns, singleton, factory, and builder. From structural patterns, adapter, decorator, and facade. From behavioral patterns, observer, strategy, and command.
9 patterns in total.
We'll carefully explain when to use each pattern and things to watch out for. However, there are some things to keep in mind.
Things to keep in mind?
Patterns are not a silver bullet. They're not magical solutions that can solve every problem.
So you can't just use them recklessly.
Start with "I want to solve this problem," not "this pattern looks useful."
So it all depends on how you use the tool.
Exactly. Now let's summarize today's lesson. Design patterns are standard design solutions and a common language. There are 3 categories: creational, structural, and behavioral.
GOUF compiled 23 patterns, right?
In this series, we'll cover 9 practical patterns. Remember, solving the problem comes first. Patterns are just tools.
Now I understand the big picture of design patterns.
Next time, we'll cover the pros and cons of singleton.
I can't wait!
Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time.